Hello, so this is my beautiful necklaces collection. As you can see, there are lots of necklaces here. It looks a little bit messy here, but I try to arrange them like this so I can record all of the necklaces at one time, and I'm going to show you all these necklaces one by one. So there are stone necklaces, there are thread necklaces, there are golden necklaces, silver necklaces, and there are light necklaces, there are heavy necklaces, there are all type of necklaces, and these all the necklaces are, these are my favorite one. I have lots of more, which I'm not gonna show you because then you will get bored and this video will be very lengthy. So I'm gonna show you all these necklaces one by one. So first one is this one. This is my first necklace. As you can see, it's quite small and it's really very pretty. You can wear it with your t-shirts. You can even wear it with your shirts and with plain tops and dresses too. And this one is like this gold chain. It's not real gold. And with this white beads and again gold beads. It is really very pretty and it's in obviously, and it's really very quite small and it's small and good. So this one is the first one. Second necklace looks, this is like pretty, and this is the thing, then it's like thread work here and it's really very soft and with this golden color, and it's look blue in this video but in actual it's dark purple. There might be some lighting problem, and this again golden with purple is really a nice combination and it's really a beautiful necklace. You can wear it with little black dress and with any dresses you want. This one is my favorite. As golden color is so in, I have like this one is the third one, and again it's a golden and this like black, and combination of black and golden is really very good. And it is small coins in the bottom part and it's like stars with, and it star in engraved here, which is really good. And again it's really very small, it's very lightweighted, and they make really very nice voice too. And this one is really very pretty one. You can see this is also my favorite. For the fourth one, again it's like this. It's oxidized golden color chain with this golden color. They are just like this, and again pretty beads here. It's a little bit messy, this necklace especially, but it's pretty one. So I was this necklace, and I'm showing you really very quickly. So I don't know much about this all beads and all things, but still I'm trying my best to show you. And again this one is thick silver chain. It's not thin one, it's thick with this beautiful colorful beads lines, and these are like red, yellow and sea blue and brown colors, and it's really very pretty. It definitely goes well with the white dress and another very plain dresses too. So I haven't wear it yet, but to know the prices of this necklace, I really don't know about the prices. This all are the free for me especially. So if they must be cost something like $2 to $4 or 50 or 100 to 200 rupees, Indian rupees, and $2 to $4. And this one is like chain. Again they are like 6-7 chains together. It's small and pretty, and this is the thing. Again it made of beads. The combination of beads and chains. I have mostly necklace in that only. And again here is like this little heart here, both side of this thing, like this is again a little heart here, which is also good and cute thing in this pretty necklace. Again it's like when you wear it, it looks like this on your neck. So it's a beads necklace, and there are like purple color beads, and it's purple, it's not dark blue as it's shown in this video. as it's looking in this video. And again it's with this silver things, and yes, these things are still having their labels on, but I haven't wear it yet. But this one is pretty. One, two, and it's quite heavy. Stone things. So stone necklaces. Again, this one is with thread work. Is a combination of red and black, brown thread. The brown color is looking like black here. Okay, with again golden chain, and again, and there are little beads here, and with in beads there are little leaves also here, golden color and golden. That's how it looks. Pretty. And it's they this color are not very bright, they are soothing, so that's why I like this necklace, and it's really very small and cute. So this label doesn't mention their price, they have this number on it, so I really don't know about the prices. And another stone one is this. It's really very light, like this very light color, cream color, and very light, like very light, and they have little bit stones here. I'm gonna show you the hole. It's really very long, like as you can see, this long is this. That's long. Okay, it's really difficult to make the video with one hand, so that's how these stones look. They are flowers engraved in it too, and there are different patterns in all stones, which is also a nice thing, like different patterns in different stones. It's really very light, and it will definitely go with any dress and anything. This one, as you can see, it has like sea green. It is in sea green color. It is lighter. It is a little bit darker as it's look in this video, little bit lighter. And these are the stones here, and this one layer of stones, again the combination layer of stones here, like 2 or 3. And it's really very pretty. It will go well with like white dress, or you can even wear in beaches as it has pretty stones in it. And another good thing about this necklace is that it comes with this matching bracelet, and this one is also very pretty, as you can see. This one, it's long, it's clearly very long, as you can see, and it has like pretty colors like pink, cream, and I like this pink color especially. Again, it's a stone necklace, you can wear in beaches and with maxi dress too, and it's really very long, and it's really very beautiful. That's, they have yellow stone in between, and then they have silver stone in between them. They are not in proper size, like stones are not in proper size. One is big, one is small, one is big. That's how it look cute. My favorite, because it has charm beads in it, and I love charm beads, and they are like this, as you can see. Yes, charm beads, and with this gray stones, it's very simple and really very light. This might be for 50 or 100 rupees or something, $1 or $2, and this is again pretty. This with black thread. See, it's thread necklace with black thread with, and another thing is this like combination of beads with one silver stone, again combination of bead with silver stone. That's how it look. Again, it's pretty one, and it's really very beautiful. It's look little bit lighter in the video, but in real it's really very shiny. So this one is again light one for the people who like light necklaces. I also like light necklaces, not the big necklaces. So another one with stones and beads and all, and this is the one. There's one layer of beads and one layer of this round stones like this. They are in like orange, cream and brown color. Again, this brown is looking black in this video, and again it does have label in it because this all are new, all are free for me. Yep, these all are free. So that's how it looks. That's how it looks. It is also pretty. It is also light, and again, I think it will definitely go with so many dresses. Go well with so many dresses. So I'm gonna show you my favorite one in the last. Before that, now it's time for thread necklaces. They are again fashion too. So this is the colorful threads, and with this golden round things. I don't know what to call this, and this is the how long this long is this. It's really very long and it's really very light. So again, for a people like me who like light necklaces, it's have different color of threads, like they are yellow, they are pink, they are gray, there are so many colors. And I have this type of three necklaces. This was the first one, and now time for the second one, which is really pretty. It says only two color in it, like this green and this gray. This green is really going well with this gray or silver, whatever you call it, silver. So that's how it looks. It's again pretty and very light. Okay, now third one in this category, it is with, there are two threads like gray with purple. It's look again dark blue, it's dark purple, and with this golden round things. So that again it is the longest. Now it's time for last necklaces. Last necklace, and this is the last necklace in my necklace collection. It's really very pretty. As you can see, it has this three silver chain with this light green color. I'm in love with this light and sea green color, and it really very go well with any white floral dress, whatever you say, and black dress too. And this is really very a nice thread necklace. As you can see, it has a note bit in between, which is also pretty. And this one is the last necklace in my necklace collection, and I'm really very tired of showing all this necklace. So that's all in my necklace collection. If you like this collection, please give a big thumbs up. And I'm not showing off, really not showing off. I just have these necklaces, so, and they are all free samples. That's why I'm showing. And really, I don't spend this much money on anything, as I'm a student. I really don't earn now, so that's why these all are free, and really I haven't spent 1 rupees on this necklace. So please, if you like this video, then thank you for, then please subscribe to, and really thank you for watching. These are all the necklaces which I have. Hope you enjoy this video as much as I have enjoyed making it. So thank you for watching.